Good morning to one and all. I have the honor and pleasure to present to you the Grade 3 Orchids Awardees. May I call on Barangay Kagawad Roger Fiesta, Mrs. Sheila D. Pobre, and Mrs. Sheila Marie G. Rotosi. Maria Sherry G. Yero, with high honors. She will receive silver medal. Sherry is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Sherwin Yero. Her mother will award the medal. Ismael Jacob G. Bato, with high honors. He will receive a silver medal. He will also receive a gold medal for being a provincial Kawan holiday participant. His grandmother awarded the medal. Sebastian James Islas R. Colminas, with high honors. He will receive a silver medal. Sebastian is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Fernando Colminas. He will receive also a gold medal for being a Cub Scout participant. Shiha Ishika E. Tabernero, with high honors. Ishika is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joby Tabernero. She will receive a silver medal. Her mother awarded the medal. Clint Adrian B. Arinsana, with honors. Adrian is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Armin Arinsana. He will also receive a gold medal for being a provincial Cub Scout participant. His mother awarded the medal. Aja Micaela R. Carrera, with honors. She will receive a bronze medal. Aja is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. John Butch R. Carrera. Her mother awarded the medal. John Ray V. Ramos, with honors. He will receive a bronze medal. John Ray is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Henry Ramos. He will also receive a gold medal for being a Cub Scout participant. Nicole Joy C. Rasalan, with honors. She will receive a bronze medal. Nicole Joyce is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Noel Rasalan. Her father awarded the medal. Tamim B. Rasalan, with honors. She will receive a bronze medal. Tamim is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Adriatico Rasalan. Jericho B. Fernandez, with honors. He will receive a bronze medal. Jericho is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Charito Fernandez. He will also receive a gold medal for being a Cub Scout participant. General Mac G. Gorospe, with honors. He will receive a bronze medal. General is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Tito Gorospe. He will also receive a gold medal for being a Cub Scout participant. John Mark I. Mangino, with honors. He will receive a bronze medal. John Mark is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Mark Anthony Mangino. He will also receive a gold medal for being a Cub Scout participant. Mark Inigo D. Paloma, with honors. He will receive a bronze medal. Mark Inigo is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Mark Anthony Paloma. Danica B. Tabor, with honors. She will receive a bronze medal. Danica is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Emmanuel Tabor. Her mother awarded the medal. David Joshua N. Garcia, Cub Scout participants. He will receive a gold medal. David Joshua is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Jeffrey Garcia. His grandmother awarded the medal. Prince Joseph D. Partida. Prince Joseph is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Randy Partida. He will receive a gold medal for being a Cub Scout participant. The mother awarded the medal. Thank you very much.